Hi you guys, this is Lannie and that is my son Dion Jr. if you are new to my channel. On this particular day I decided to give his hair some TLC because it desperately needs it. My husband usually cuts his hair in between visits to the barbershop, but because we are in quarantine right now, he's not been able to go get his hair cut at the barber. My husband was going to cut it, but I said, you know what, let me see if mommy can do it too. So I decided to give it a try and I recorded the whole process. So the first thing I did was spray his hair with a little bit of water, and I'm just going to go ahead and take my pick and pick it out. You never want to pick out or comb natural hair when it's dry. It needs a little bit of moisture to help it out. Next, I'm going to take some clippers and a 1-inch guard and start cutting his hair.
I'm not so sure about this. Please don't.
I'm not going to mess you up.
Are you sure?
So as I was cutting with the 1-inch guard, it wasn't taking off as much as I want, so I went down to 3/4 of an inch. So this is the bulk of hair that was cut, not too much. Now I'm going to take another set of clippers and do the scary part, which is his edge up. So now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and give his hair a good wash and deep condition.
That feels good.
My son has low porosity hair like I do, so when I deep condition his hair, I like to use a cap so that heat can get trapped in and the conditioner can penetrate his strands. After 10 minutes, we're just going to go ahead and rinse that out. And he dreads this part, but it is necessary after getting a haircut.
This.
So we're at the finish line. I'm just going to put in a little bit of leave-in conditioner all over his hair, making sure his hair is moisturized. And then I'm also going to add a little tiny bit of gel just for some hold. Then I'm going to use a sponge to coil his hair. What do you think, Daddy?
Not bad. I was worried how you were going to do inside, but you did it right.
So yeah, y'all, that is the end of this video. I thought I did a pretty good job. I didn't jack up his edge up and he doesn't have a bald spot. So I must give myself a pat on the back for that. I thought it came out really cute and he loved it, so that's all that matters. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you loved it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you would love to see more from me in the future, make sure you are subscribed. And as always, I love you guys. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.